Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how we can log the attempts that we make to assign activities in Schoology. In a traditional learning environment, so in the years past, when we would try to reach students via summons or classroom visits, if we did not have luck reaching those students due to excessive absences, a lost summons, the student changing schools mid-year, whatever the reason may be, we would log the attempts that we made. And we would use this form called the Unserve student. So we would fill in here which document was missing. So was it an assessment or one of our lessons? We'd add the dates that we attempted, and then we would explain any reasons perhaps why that student did not receive some or all of their transition services for the year. So this year, being that we are virtual, we are using the Schoology platform to reach our students with digital activities. So the new way, so in lieu of the unserved form, we will be logging the attempts that we make to assign activities using the Gradebook. So the first thing that you'll do is you will log into your Schoology course. So please do not do this under the All Dots course template. You want to make sure that you are doing this on your Schoology course that you set up specific to your school or school sites. So on the left side, you will click on Gradebook, and that will bring you to a page that looks like this. Obviously, it will be your students on the left and not look exactly like mine. But for an example, we are going to pretend that Evelyn is my student. And last week, I assigned her activity number 11. And now it's a little over a week later, and I have not heard back from her, and I have not received that activity. So to keep my record keeping nice and clean, I want to document the date that I assigned it to her and put that notation in there. So where I'm hovering right now is underneath activity number 11 next to Evelyn's name. And when I do that, so I'm not clicking on it, I'm just hovering over it with my mouse, two icons show up. So there's a flag and there's a comment box. So when I click on the flag, it gives me the option to mark it as excused, incomplete, or missing. So I am going to do missing. So this was missing. A hexagon shows up, which is nice, so that when you scan over your gradebook, once you have all of your students in the course, you will be able to see those students that you attempted but have not heard back from. The other thing you're going to do is in the comment box here, you are going to put your notations. So I am going to write assigned. I don't have to write which activity it is because it's activity 11, but I'll write assigned and then the date that I assigned it. So I assigned it August 24th, 2020. She might end up turning it in and submitting the assignment in 3 weeks or tomorrow or in April. I can go on and then I can delete this and take it out, and I can click on this and remove my notations. But for the time being, keep those in there and assigned, so that you will know as the teacher and also our leadership team will know. And you have another option when this box pops open. You can click this display to student. So if you want Evelyn to be able to see this when she looks on her side of it in her course as what her grade or completion is on this course, you can check this box if you want. I'm going to leave it blank because I don't think it's necessary. And I'll click away from it. And so now you can see that the 0 shows up, the hexagon, and the comment box. So that is how we log our attempts that we make to assign these activities to students. Hopefully this was helpful to you, and moving forward you'll know how to help document those attempts that we make. Thank you.